You probably remember a time when you scored low on a test and just thought to yourself, I'm not smart enough, or this course is too difficult for me, and that was it. But what if we told you that this is not true? In fact, there is a simple 3-step formula that is scientifically proven to make you a faster learner and improve your information retention. Whether you want to become that straight-A student or you want to learn high-income skills online, the steps in this video are guaranteed to make you a faster learner. First, you want to make sure you actually understand the content you are learning. We know this sounds pretty obvious, but chances are that you are not doing this efficiently. You need to make sure you are using high-level memory encoding techniques. Instead of mindlessly reading and copying down every note in your teacher or lecturer's PowerPoint, focus on what they are saying and actively try to link new knowledge to previous topics. Make sure you are asking questions about what you are being taught. If you are learning through online videos, which by the way is a great way to teach yourself new skills, you can instantly get the answer to these questions by simply searching your questions on the internet. Once you've developed a system for learning that will allow you to understand difficult concepts easily, you won't have to worry about forgetting everything you learned as soon as you leave a classroom. Most of the information will be encoded into your short-term memory, which makes way for our second step. You need to make sure you are converting this information from your short-term memory to your long-term memory. There are a couple of ways I'd recommend doing this. The first way is through flashcards. You can make these by hand or digitally with the free Anki app. We recommend making digital flashcards because 1, they are quicker to make, and 2, they allow you to use spaced repetition. Spaced repetition, the act of reviewing information in spaced time intervals, is the single best technique for encoding information into your long-term memory. Using Anki will make sure you are reviewing all your flashcards until you can consistently memorize all the information. Most importantly, do not fall into the trap of making flashcards before fully understanding the content. This is called rote learning and is a very inefficient studying technique. The second method we recommend is called blurting. Simply grab a pen and paper and write down everything you know about a topic. Compare what you write to your notes or a textbook and use a different colored pen to write down all the information you forgot. To make sure you are doing spaced repetition, make sure to repeat this within a week, and eventually, you will be able to rewrite everything about a topic off the top of your head. If you follow the first 2 steps, you will already see yourself becoming a faster learner, so you should probably like this video. But this last step is what differentiates straight-A students from the rest. You need to constantly practice applying your knowledge. You should be doing as many practice tests as you have time for. You can find many practice tests in textbooks or by searching for them online. Ideally, you should be doing these tests in timed conditions. But it is extremely important that you do not look at your notes while doing these tests. This is because you must train your brain to automatically make the links needed to answer the more difficult questions. Once you complete the test, make a mental note of how confident you were with each question, and then load up the answers and mark the test. Make a folder for all of the questions you get wrong and try them again a few days later. Following all of these steps will mean that eventually, you will have complete mastery of the hardest topics. If this video helped you out, consider checking out the video on screen right now.